guys, welcome back to another vlog. I got my hair done. I got some braids. Let me see if I can take them out and show you guys. And I also curled the ends. I just jump in without even introducing myself. If you're new here, I'm Liss Charlton. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So yeah, these are my braids that I got. I wanted them to go longer, and I thought that that's what I was gonna get, something longer. But oh well. I ended up curling the ends because I didn't like that the braids weren't full, so I just curled the ends. They're okay. They're not like my best braider that I went to, but I got my hair braided, so that is the most important bit. And if I sound a bit weird, I'm not really 100%, and I know how I got ill. I washed my hair the other day and I went out with it wet, and then I get up like a cold. This is cute. I got like a cold, and then next thing you know, I'm gonna take a test. It come out negative, that's the corona test. Then I take another one the day after, and then them say it come out positive. So, but me in my mind no say because I went out that day with my hair wet, just because I wanted to get I'm a bit overexposed, aren't I? Just because I wanted to get some heat protecting spray to blow dry my hair. But anyways, we're here. Yesterday was kind of like the hardest. Which day is it now? It's kind of like day 3, I think, or maybe L. Yesterday was kind of like the hardest because, or maybe it was the night before that when I had like a fever, and then I was freaking shivering, like really just, I don't know, it was weird. And then the next morning I wake up, the fever was gone, but then I was I had a headache for the whole day yesterday, and I had like a little bit of aching. So yesterday I spent little time at all opening my mouth. So I was like, today let me just vlog because I don't want to forget how to speak. Let me just vlog and talk to the camera today. So that's what I'm here doing. So hey, I'm feeling a little bit better. I don't have the headache, which is why am I putting on? I don't have the headache, which is really good. So today I'm gonna try and do like a little bit here and there, not too much, because I don't have anything planned anyway. But I need to get my parcels to the post office, so I need to bag them up and see if somebody can come collect them for me. I don't know, but I need to figure that out. I have some stuff to return, so I need to get those posted so I can at least get my money back before the return period is finished. Or that I need to check out, so I can probably not stress myself. I'm gonna be in isolation for the next few days, so next couple of days from this I'm gonna be at home. So I know I'm feeling better anyway, so I'm gonna I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. I'll see, depending on how I feel each day. But funny story, you know, I've been saying I want some time off work, and it so happened that I got the time off work, but not how I wanted the time off work. So the moral of this story is, when you're asked for things, be specific. We need to change the outfit here. Yeah, when you're asked for things, be specific, because you will get it, but not really in the way where you want it. Because no matter the good time off, I have to stay home. I can't really go outside. So yeah, that is the little story. Also, I put up my little shelf in there. It's really nice, but I need to redecorate it a little bit better. I don't like how it's decorated. It looks a bit yeah, but I just chuck some stuff on it just so I can see how it looks anyway. But in today's vlog, you guys are going to be spending the morning with me, not the whole day, because I'm trying to like rest. So I'll take you guys through the morning with me. I'm currently doing laundry. I just got out the shower and now I'm just doing my skincare. After that, I'm gonna get dressed and we're gonna head to the kitchen because I need to make breakfast. I'm gonna see if I can make this remedy that I got sent to me. I think I have everything, like lemons, like a tea. So I'm gonna make that tea this morning. So it's lemon, ginger, garlic, and I think like turmeric and honey and stuff. Also, I forgot to say my taste is gone. My taste and my smell is not there, so that is the weirdest part. Like, I can't taste or smell anything. And the day I took the other test was when I realized that I put my perfume on, like really nice perfume. And I was like, how can I smell my perfume? So I started smelling like my lotion, everything, and bitch, I couldn't smell anything. So I was like, that's weird. That's weird. I am dressed. The sun is out, making me look nice and glowy, cute. I'm having some water. And let me show you guys the frame that I put up, because so it's a really nice frame and I got like 2 of them by accident because they think that this one was lost. I just have like these junk up there. I need to take them down and kind of like fix it up a little bit better, but I'm gonna let it stay like that just for today and then we'll change it eventually. But I got this one from Next and the other one I need to probably send it back because like I said, they sent me 2, so I'm gonna send the other one back because there's no other use I can put it to, so I'm gonna make them have it back. I spray painted this chair the other day and the black is so pretty. I think I need to give it like another coat though. This was in like a light gray color and then there's another one here that's in like a darker gray. This one, so this need to be spray painted as well, but when I find the strength I will get onto that one. But for now, this one is looking really good and I like the color of it. It's very pretty. So we're gonna replace these with our current dining chair table. We're gonna replace these with our current dining table chairs because these ones look better and they were a really good price. So that's why we got them in like a different color and then spray paint them to a color that we want. Anyways, I need to water my babies. I have some lemon. I just use that 1 lemon, 1 to 6 garlic, and then I'm gonna use around 2 ginger, and I'm just gonna boil this for as long as I can. I guess that's what my dad told me. Boil it as long as I can and just drink it as a tea, and then it will liquor whatever you have. That's what he said. So that's what I'm gonna do. done making my breakfast. I'm gonna have some scrambled eggs, some bacon. Literally the bacon is the only thing I can taste on this plate. And I'm having 2 croissants just to have with it. And I'm drinking the tea that I made. It's a good thing I can't taste this thing because, or smell it, but I'm sure I'll get the benefits. So it's turmeric, ginger, garlic, and lemon. Probably should have sweetened it with some honey, but I'll just have it like this because, like I said, I can't really taste anything, so it doesn't really matter. I just know that something sour is in there, but it's not really like a true lemon taste. I think that's the only thing I can really taste, like sour stuff. Like if it's salty, like I can taste the salt on the bacon, but I can't really taste the true taste of the bacon, but just the salt. And I can taste the sourness of the tea, but I can't really taste the tea because, you know, garlic, ginger, and them stuff with the mix up is just not really the best. It tastes horrible, but this, I'm just tasting lemon. I'm done having breakfast. I don't know if it was good or not, but I'm full, so that's all that matters right now. I'm gonna take my vitamins. Oh shit, I keep forgetting to take my other iron tablet in the night because I'm supposed to take 2 iron tablets in the day, 1 in the morning and probably 1 later down in the day. I need to start remembering to take that one. So I take iron because I need it, and I take multivitamin. This one is vitamin C, vitamin D, and cod liver oil. And I also take this one in the night. It's probiotics, but it's kind of like the nighttime one. And this one just is really good for gut health, and they said it reduces tiredness and stuff. So that is really good because I was struggling before, like literally to stay awake. Sometimes I just feel really tired. So I was taking iron tablet, but then the one that I was taking, I don't know if it was working or not, so I went back to this one that I was taking. I can't remember the name. The box is in my cupboard in the kitchen. Feeling a little bit tired now. I didn't really get up too much this morning. It's like the usual morning stuff. I'm feeling tired probably because I got up so early as well. I've been getting up really early these days. Well, if I'm not working, then I normally get up early naturally. I need to see if I can probably tape up some of these parcels. There's this Amazon one that need to be returned as well. I need to contact them to see if I can get extension on the return because they sent me 2 items, so I need to return 1. And I got like some really nice outer layers from Miss Kylie. Let me show you guys. Maybe you can do like a little outer layer haul. Maybe you've seen this on my Instagram already, but if you're not following me on my Instagram, I'll still show you here. And please go and follow me on my Instagram. I also posted like a shorts on here as well. I try to post some of the shorts on here, so whoever is not following me on there, they can also see it here. So I'll show you the pieces that I got from Misguided. It's like this massive box of some clothing in there. So I got like this really, my battery is dying, what the fuck. I got like this really nice it's like an aviator type jacket. I'm gonna probably have to come back because the battery on this is dying. I'm gonna at least charge it for 20%. So this is how this one looks like. How cute is this? Like so nice, and it's so warm as well. This battery is so annoying. And then the other one is kind of like a brown color, but it's like a puffer jacket. And yeah, I have a black one in this already, but I love this color. So nice. This is how it looks. Really love this. This is also really warm. Let me show you my favorite one. I'm hoping I can show you my favorite before the camera die. Like, how fucking nice is this? Like, this, you don't even need much of an outfit to make this like really cute. Like instantly you feel like a bad baby wearing this. Like, look at the sleeves. It's like a fucking bear. I love it. So nice, and it's so soft, so cozy, and you can just hook the buttons on here, and it just so nice. I love it. I'm gonna try and link these down below so you guys can see. And then the last one is this kind of leather looking one, which I absolutely love as well. This is kind of like a longer one, and this is more like an everyday type of coat, which I really love. Love this. This is really cute. So it looks. Love the sleeves as well. And yeah, those are the items I got from Missguided. I also have some coat underneath my bed. I need to go through those and kind of take out the ones that I'm going to wear this season, and then kind of like sell the others because I don't need to keep them. So that's something that I need to do. But yeah, that's all the coats that I got from Missguided. Freaking love them. And I just wanted to show you guys in this video look haul. Since we don't have much doing today, I need to take up those off the floor. My battery is also dying, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for spending the morning with me, even though I didn't really get up to much. Thank you anyways, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.